Hello lovelies, welcome back. And those who are new, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, please. So in this video I'm going to unbox this LED camera light which I bought online with a triple stand. And let's start with the first box, which is the camera light. So this is how what is inside looks like. The black one is the light itself. So I'm going to show you how it's opened. It has some flips, I don't know, it's called flips, or yeah, you open it like that. And also it has a cable, a power cable, which you plug in your socket or your power station. And also there is a on and off. That one you use to open the lights, you put on and off. And there is also a hole there. I'll show you what you do with it, so just keep watching, guys. There's also a remote that you're going to use to control the light. Also that one I'm going to show you. And it also comes with its battery, 2 of them, the small size. The next thing in here is this thing, I don't know how it's called, but you are also going to see how it's used here. So this is how it looks like. I don't know how it's called, but yeah, we are going to the next box, the second box, which has the triple stand. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. It comes with this polythene bag. So the first thing, you're going to loosen this part, so that the stands can move, and then you do like that. After that you tighten it so that it doesn't fall down. To adjust this upper length, you are also going to open this part, that one, then you pull it up, you adjust it again, you tighten it. So guys, these are what I bought, and let's meet on the second video where I'll show you how to use the camera light. Bye, and thank you for watching.